Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is ESP32 based sign to speech conversation with 4 flex sensors and a Bluetooth app, Bluetooth text to app from the Google Play Store, GSM SMS alert notification. So in this project we are using total 4 flex sensors. So whenever we are bending the flex sensor, according to the voltage will be varying. That should be send the data to LCD display, and as well as the app will be gives the output voice alert like tea, coffee, water, food, and as well as it will send the SMS to the caretaker. Flex sensor 1 connected to the ADC pin number 34. Flex sensor 2 ADC pin number 35. Flex sensor 3 ADC pin number 32. Flex sensor 4 ADC pin number 33. There are 4 flex sensor with 4 ADCs 34, 35, 32, 33, and one 5 volts power supply module ESP32 AI thinker board we are using, and 16 cross to LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, connected with the RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 23, 22, 21, 19, 5 GPIO pin numbers. We are using two communication. One is Bluetooth communication and one is GSM SMS alert communication. So Bluetooth, we are using Bluetooth TTS app, which is from the Google Play Store. RX-TX connected with the serial communication one. RX-TX, RX2, TX2 connected to the 1716 serial communication to GSM module, SIM 800C module. Okay, let us coming into the hardware part. We are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using that power source comes to the here. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED, 5 volts power supply module, one power supply for the components and other power supply for the LCD and the flux sensors. So here we are using GSM SIM 800C. You can take Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. Okay, cut should be outside. I will send one video. GSM SIM 800C, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. Press it will go inside, and press it will come outside. Okay, GSM SIM 800C module, and here we are using ESP32 rover module, and pin numbers are 23, 22, 19, 18, 5 connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And here we are using flux sensor HC05 Bluetooth module. Okay, and here we are using Bluetooth app, Adreno Bluetooth TTS app, which is from the Google Play Store. And flux sensors are flux sensor 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.2 inch 4 flux sensors we are using. Okay, so let's go with the first Bluetooth. Okay, now I'm going to start with the Bluetooth on. Bluetooth is blinking, and here already HC05 connected. Press it. Okay, forget unpair. Press it. It will ask for the pairing. Password is 1234. Okay, and go to clear and press reset button. ESP32 based sign to speech conversation, and open the app. Okay, then press it this one. Okay, connecting. Once connected, LED should be off. Sign to speech. Okay, sign to speech completed. And the SMS alert inbox is, and go to inbox. Okay, inbox. So we are getting the alert messages previously. Okay, like water, coffee, okay, food, emergency. Okay, so like we got the SMS alerts also. Okay, and go to app, connected, success. Okay, now I'm going to bend first finger. Okay, for bending the first finger, T. Okay, sending SMS 1, message sent. I need T, 306. Okay, go to app. Okay, now I'm going to bend second finger, bending coffee. Okay, so now I'm going to see the SMS. I need coffee. Okay, open the app. So now I'm bending the third finger. Water, water,
Water, water, water, water, water, water.
okay. So I'll show the SMS. I need water. Okay, okay. This LED should be stop. Okay, now I'm going to bend last finger. Food.
Food,
Okay,
food, food, food.
tea, coffee, water, food. Okay, now I'm going to see the SMS alerts. Yeah, came. Tea, coffee, water, food. Okay, sending SMS to student number. First number is me. Okay, now I'm going to bend 1 and 2.
Coffee, 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 coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee.
Power supply board, GSM module, 16 cross 2 LCD display. This is for the latch converter, 5 volt to 3.3 volts converter, and this is ESP32 module, and this is Bluetooth module. Okay, 2 and 3 bending.
Water, water. Newspaper, paper.
And we will go for the SMS alerts. Newspaper.
Emergency, emergency. Emergency, emergency, emergency.
Go to SMS alert. Emergency. Power supply board, ESP32, 16 cross 2 LC display, GSM SIM 800C, HC05 Bluetooth module, and here is the Arduino TTS app, Arduino Bluetooth text to speech conversion app, and 4 flex sensors. This is our total block diagram of the project.